Feeding up with snoring disrupting your sleep or relationships? The Shark-designed anti-snoring device delivers a simple, non-invasive fix. Its sleek, ergonomic shark-inspired shape gently shifts your jaw forward at night, tackling snoring at its root. Relax throat muscles that narrow airways. Made of medical-grade, BPA-free silicone, it's soft, hypoallergenic, and fits most mouths comfortably for nightly use. No batteries, surgery, or complex setups. Just insert it before bed. It cuts down loud snoring and eases mild sleep apnea by keeping airways open, so you and your partner wake up refreshed. Compact with a hygienic storage case for travel, it's your ticket to better sleep. Try it tonight for effective, comfortable snoring relief.